Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, March the 13th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I hope you did, if it's in your area where the time changes, that you realize that we are now an hour ahead where we live. Not sure how that affects people outside of our time zone exactly, but we will be on 4 p.m. our time, even though we have sprung ahead. It gets really confusing. Time travel. We'll talk. So I hope you will join us and talk with us as well. Lots of things to tell you from the past week and some plans for an upcoming retreat that we are attending through Ultimate Sewing. Some things we're getting ready for that. And some of the other woes, I guess you might call it, that I've been having this week with various institutions. And yeah, and who knows? We'll talk about lots of other things, I'm sure. So I hope you can join us today, Sunday, March the 13th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye-bye.